here is October the 14th. It could be Youth Weekend and honorably discharged veterans. So come out and see if I can see anything. I had an 8-point. I had an 8-point on the camera around 3:30 this morning, along with a couple other small bucks. So stay with us and we'll see what we can see. Well, it's 9:16. So about 2 or 3 minutes ago, I had 2 deer walk out on me down here on my front lane. So the one I shot's a 6-point. So go ahead and get some meat in the freezer for the start of the 2023 season. So we're walking down here right now so we can see exactly what we got. Been seeing a good amount of deer on the cameras. Just had one run off. And they're moving this morning. Yeah, it's a small 6-point. Okay. Well, just to go get the players. Pull down here and get him. So, alright, I'll see y'all in a bit.